AdBlue. Now, if you've got a modern diesel, you may have an AdBlue tank fitted. Now, AdBlue is also known as diesel exhaust fluid, and it's a mixture of urea and water. There you are, DEF, diesel exhaust fluid, AdBlue, which is injected into the exhaust to reduce the NOx, the dangerous, nasty stuff that comes out of the exhaust. And all modern diesels, Euro 5, Euro 6, have AdBlue tanks. On this Range Rover, it's here on the wing. Some cars, it's in the boot. Some cars, it's by the filler cap. Interestingly, it's a bit of a fag to do, but you may have to do it between services because your AdBlue warning light may come on the dashboard, and if you ignore it, eventually your car will not start and you may damage the engine. So it's very important to know how to top this up. So we take this off. You can buy this stuff at supermarkets and at petrol stations, and you just pour it in here or in the fuel filler cap thing at the back. Do not pour it into your diesel tank because you will damage your engine. Only into the AdBlue tank and get it fully topped up. Interestingly, the reason why Volkswagen put defeat devices on their diesels was because they didn't think that American consumers could be bothered with all the faff of topping up AdBlue tanks between servicing. So there you are, a bit of history. Sadly, we've got to live with AdBlue as it does reduce harmful emissions from the exhaust, and hopefully one day we will see garage forecourts with AdBlue pumps where you don't have to buy it in a container and you can just put it in like that. So AdBlue, simple.